Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 30. In which of the following group of animals is the Malphigian tubule found? Malphigian tubule found. Now, the Malphigian tubule is an excretory organ. It's an excretory organ, that is an organ responsible for the removal of waste in a particular organism. Now, Malphigian tubule is found in insects. Insects like the cockroach, housefly, and the rest. So it enables these insects to remove their waste from the body to the surrounding. So Malphigian tubule is the excretory organ of insects. And from the questions now, from the options, you see that option B here has the group of insects: crickets, houseflies, and grasshopper. So all these groups has Malphigian tubule as their excretory organ because they belong to the class Insecta. Now, lizard, snakes, and frogs has kidney as their own excretory organ. Earthworm has nephridia. Flatworm has what we call flame cell, while earthworm has what we call nephridia as its excretory organ. So the answer to this question is option B. The group of insects are those that uses Malphigian tubule as their excretory organ. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.